Hello and welcome back to Crochet Smash. Today's crochet tutorial I am going to show you how to make this beautiful puff stitch a flower motif. This has a very textured center. I used puff stitch for that and a scalloped edging. You can use this as a coaster or mug rug, or you can use a stitch several together to create a wall hanging or a table runner, something like that for a bigger project. So let us start making this flower. I am using Bennett Handicrafter and the loops and thread classic cotton and a 5 mm crochet hook. So let us make the flower center. I'm going to start with a magic circle, leave a little longer tail. We can use this one. So I'm going to start chain 2. Then yarn over, insert the hook in the magic circle, grab the yarn, bring up a loop, then do it one more time. Yarn over, insert, bring up a loop and bring it up. Now this one has 1 2 3 4 5 loops on the hook because that is the beginning puff stitch, and I take the yarn and bring the yarn through all the 5 loops. Now I'm going to make a chain 1 to lock that one in place. Then I want to make one more chain before I start making the next puff stitch. Next puff stitch is yarn over hook, insert, bring up a loop like we are going to make a half double crochet. Then one more time and one more time. Now we have 7 loops on the hook. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So grab the yarn with your hook and go through all the 7 loops. Lock that one in place, then make one more chain. So in the same way we are going to make another puff stitch. Chain 2. For this flower I need the base petals are like 5 petals. So we have 3 petals already. We make 2 more petals. Then chain 2. 1 2 3 4. So one more. 1 2 3 times. Then yarn over and bring through all the loops. Tighten the center, then chain 2, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of that puff stitch. See, it looks like a flower, and cut this yarn, lock this one in place. Now I am going to take the next color. I don't have the same brand yarn in this in a different color, that's why I'm using whatever I have. You can do this as a stash buster or to use all the leftover yarn. So the second color I'm going to add to one of these chain 2 spaces. Chain 1. I can do 2. Again we are going to make a puff stitches and chain 2. 2 puff stitches in each of these chain 2 spaces. Chain 2, we go to the next chain 2 space, and make it 2 more puff stitches. Now we finish the round 2. We have 10 puff stitches. Now I'm going to chain 1. Then I'm going to make an extended single crochet. So I'm going to go into the middle of these 2 puff stitches, insert the hook in here, grab the yarn, bring up a loop, and going all the way up to bring the height, then finish up the single crochet. Then I'm going to make a chain 2. Now I'm going to make 3 double crochet into the base of that single crochet we made here. So yarn over hook, insert, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops, yarn over hook, go through 2 more loops. Again repeat that one 2 more times. So I have a chain 2 and then 1 2 3 double crochets. Now I'm going into the over this chain 2 space. Then I'm going to use the go into the hole created by making that puff stitch. So I'm going to insert my hook in there and making an extended single crochet. Then again making chain 2, and I'm going to make a 3 double crochet, 1 into the base of the single crochet, extended single crochet made, right? So then between the puff stitches make an extended double crochet. Sorry, losing the, okay, I got it. Now we made another extended single crochet, then chain 2 and make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3. Now we go to the top of that hole in the puff stitch, then make an extended single crochet. then chain 2, 1, 2, 3 double crochets, go between the puff stitches, make an extended single crochet. Repeat in this manner till we reach the end. Now we made the last scallop edge. Now I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the first extended single crochet. Now that is done, I'm going to cut the yarn and I'm going to finish it off. Now all that is left is tying this weaving these yarn tails in the back. If you want to join that, you can just use your yarn needle to join this one by stitching over there. So this is a beautiful small project. I hope you like this project. If you like this project, please like and subscribe to my channel, and say in the comments what you are going to make with this motif. You can remix my video and tag me on YouTube to show me what you are making. So we will meet again with another project in the next time. Till then, bye bye.